Now China has been leapfrogging so many of these apps and digital technologies. The days of China being a copycat are long gone. Actually, the West is now copycatting many of the trends in China. I lived in Beijing for 5 years, between 2012 to 2017, and saw the economic development and the innovation and technology develop in front of my eyes. But from a cultural perspective, the Chinese social media and digital universe is very different from the West. It's like two separate planets almost. Do you believe that there will be more digital global convergence between East and West?
Well, I think we're all learning from each other, and basically for Tencent, we think about how to deliver value to the users a lot. And technology is power, but at the same time it's means to ends. So we definitely invest a lot to think about how we can provide a new user experience in today's world that we're seeing the physical world and the virtual world are coming together. So I think we will continue to look for opportunities to help some of the learnings that we had in China and try to bring them out to the rest of the world. In fact, our growth, the growth of our technology business, the cloud business, as well as the gaming business outside of China has been tremendous. We are one of the largest cloud provider in Asia, different parts of Asia, and right now we are looking into expansion into the Middle East market, and Saudi is definitely a very desirable destination for the applications of some of the technologies that we have employed in China. For example, some of the customers that we've talked to in the region, they're very interested in the WeChat mini program ecosystem. It's basically provide a very interesting platform for bringing in a lot of services from your partners to a single super app that is specifically for a specific community. We have some examples as e-government applications where there are hundreds of different public services being integrated on the same platform, and yet at the same time, the platform can be managed like an application store for the large organization to provide integrated experience for their users. So opportunities like this are a lot, and we look for bringing some of our expertise, some of the experience that we've learned in China to the region.